Hello everyone, welcome back to College Dunia's YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about how to register for NEET 2024. NEET application form releasing body is NTA. Official website for filling NEET application form 2024 is neet.nta.nic.in. The mode of NEET registration is online. The NEET application form 2024 fees is INR 1700 for journal category, INR 1600 for EWS and OBC category, INR 1000 for SC, ST or PH category. NTA NEET registration helpline email is neet@nta.ec.in. The phone number is 1140759000. Let's check the NEET application form eligibility criteria. Nationality of the candidate is Indian national, NRI, PIO, OCI. The age limit is lower age limit is 17 year of age as of December 31, 2024. The upper age limit is no limit. There is minimum qualification is passed or appearing for class 12th. The qualifying marks in class 12th is for general categories 50%, for reserved categories 40%. Now let's check the NTA NEET 2024 registration process. You need to visit the official website, which is nta.neet.nic.in, and click on the new registration link. Read the instructions carefully and click on apply online. Then you need to fill the application form. You need to enter personal details such as candidate name, mother and father's name, gender, category, date of birth, nationality, person with disability. Then enter the place of birth, choice of medium of question paper, language options in NEET are English, Hindi, Gujarati, Marathi, Oriya, Bengali, Assamese, Telugu, choice of examination center, communication address, permanent address. Enter your permanent address details, correspondence address. After that, you need to upload the documents required for NEET 2024 application form. In this step, you need to scan and upload passport size, postcard size photo, signature, left hand and right hand fingers and thumb impression, and class 10 passing certificate in the form as per the guidelines for uploading of photo and sign in NEET form. After that, you need to pay the NEET application form fees. Candidate have to pay the application fee through UPI app or debit card or credit card, net banking or e-wallet. Then you need to download the confirmation page. After filling the form, candidate have to pay the application fee through UPI app or debit card or credit card or net banking or e-wallet. Service or processing charges as per transaction and GST applicable at the rate 18% to be paid by the candidate if required. If your application status show confirm, it means your application is accepted by the exam authorities. After that, you need to take a printout of NEET 2024 application form as well as of the confirmation page. Let's check what are the fee required for NEET registration 2024. For the journal category, the INR is 1700. For the journal EWS and OBC NCL category, the INR is 1600. For the SC, ST, PWD or third gender category is INR 1000. Candidate outside India is INR 9500. And the GST applicable at the rate 18%. Let's check what are the documents required for NEET 2024 application form. To fill NEET application form 2024, candidates need to upload the scanned copies of their documents, passport size photograph, postcard size photograph, signature, left and right hand finger and thumb impression, category certificate, that is SC, ST, OBC or EWS certificates need to be uploaded in PDF format. PWD certificate. To avail of the services of a scribe or to get extra time for NEET exam, it is mandatory for PWD candidates to upload the certificate proving their disability, scanned copy of the candidate class 10 passing certificate, citizenship certificate issued by embassy or any other responsible authority in PDF format, address proof of permanent and present residence, Aadhaar card, passport, domicile certificate or etc. Let's check what are the documents required for NEET 2024 application form by NRI or foreign candidates. Foreign candidates need to keep ready the below mentioned documents for filling NEET application form: birth certificate, citizenship and ID proof, passport number, a minimum of 50% marks in class 12th in physics, chemistry and biology. The NEET signature size should be 4 to 30 KB in JPG format. The NEET passport size photograph size should be 10 to 200 KB in JPG format. NEET left and right hand finger and thumb impression size should be 10 to 200 KB with JPG format. Let's check the format, size and dimensions of other documents. Class 10 passing certificate should be 50 to 300 KB with PDF format. Category certificate size should be 50 to 300 KB in PDF format. PWD certificate size should be 50 to 300 KB in PDF format. Citizenship certificate, embassy certificate or any documentary proof of citizenship certificate, the size should be 50 to 300 KB in PDF format. Present and permanent address proof, the size should be 50 to 300 KB in PDF format. To know more details, you can visit our website and also leave a comment if you have any specific questions. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel.